So here we're going to attempt this area question or this problem solving question using line by line maths. So that line by line maths approach is to read the question one sentence at a time, pick out the keyword, and to do the maths for that sentence. Do not read on until the maths for that line is complete. After you've completed it, then tick the line and then move on to the next line. So let's apply this approach to this particular question here. So the diagram shows the floor plan of Mary's conservatory. So we understand what that means, floor plan. Can't do any maths with this, so I'll just tick it off. Next, it goes on to say, Mary's going to cover the floor with tiles. So let's understand something here. Covering the floor means we're filling up the area. So at this point, this actually, although there's no mention of the keyword area, this is associated with the word area. And so at this point, I'm not going to read any further, and I'm going to do the maths for this sentence. So here I'm going to work out the area of this floor. So this is where I'm going to start my calculation here, and I'm going to write down area to indicate that that's what I'm trying to work out. I know that I need to split up this shape, so I'll split up into a rectangle and a trapezium at the top. Call this area 1, call this area 2. So here's my area 1. It's equal to 3 times 2.2, and that is 6.6 meters squared. And then here is my area 2, which is a trapezium. Add the two parallel sides. So this side here is of length 3 meters, as we can see at the bottom. So half a plus b times the distance between them, which is half of 1 plus 3 times the distance between them, which we can see is here. It's 3.4 take away 2.2, which is 1.2. Okay, so the height here is, or the distance between them is 1.2. So this area is 4 times a half, which is 2. 2 times 1.2, which is 2.4 meters squared. So total area is equal to 6.6 plus 2.4, which is equal to 9 meters squared. So now I'm going to go back to my line, tick that line off, go to the next line. The tiles are sold in packs. So we understand we have to buy packs, full packs, can't buy singular packs. Let's just tick that off to indicate we've understood that. There's no maths to be done here. 1 pack of tile will cover 2 meters squared. So let's understand what we have so far and what we've been given on this line. So it says 1 pack of tiles will cover 2 meters squared. So here I can actually write this as a multiplicative reasoning. So I can write down 1 pack is equal to 2 meters squared. I know what my total area is. I've just worked that out previously. So I'm going to try and get to that 9 meters squared to see how many packs I would need. So as it goes in 2 meters squared, obviously I can't get to 9 meters squared unless I buy half a pack, which is not allowed. So I will times by 5 to get to 10 meters squared. And that indicates that I need 5 pack here as well, as I need more packs than the actual area that I have. So then I've done the maths for that. I know I need 5 packs to cover 10 meters squared. Line ticked. A pack of tile normally costs £24.80. I can do some maths here. Stop there and do £24.80 is 1 pack. So I can say £24.80 is equal to 1 pack. And I want to get to 5 packs is what I had before. So I'll write down 5 pack. How do I get there? Multiplicative reasoning again, times 5 times 5. And 24.80 times 5 is £124. I've got that, tick that off. It says Mary gets a discount of 25% off the cost of tiles. Let's do the maths for this. So 25% off. So we're going to say £124 is equal to 100%. Again, multiplicative reasoning. If we're taking 25% off, we want to get to 75%. So I'll get to 25% first, and then I'll get to 75%. So divide by 4, and then times by 3. Do the same on this side. 124 divided by 4 equals £31, and then times by 3 is equal to £93. So we now know that we have £93 is the cost of 5 packs after the discount. Tick that off. Mary has £100. Does Mary have enough money to buy what she needs? Yes, she does. Because £93 is less than 100. We've ticked that off. Have we answered that? Yes. You must show all your work in yes. And that's how we apply line by line maths to a question.